Hey everyone, this is Tanvir back with another Linux desktop customization video. And in this video, I'll customize the Linux Mint Cinnamon desktop and try to make it look like macOS. So this is the dark version, and I have another tutorial on how to make it look like macOS, the light version. So this is going to be the dark version. I'm going to be using all the dark themes and widgets. So let's just start the customization. So first thing, you have to go to the browser and download the project file. You can find the link of the project file down in the description of this video. So let's just quickly download it. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for the donation and membership. I really appreciate it. Click on download. So once I've downloaded the project file, let's go to the downloads directory and quickly extract it. Alright guys, so I have extracted the project file, so I can delete the zip file and go inside the project file now. And over here, right click on an empty space and click on open in terminal. So from here, I'm just going to run this install.sh file. So this is the script that I prepared for you guys, which you can use to install all the applications that you will need to customize the desktop. So just simply type install.sh/install.sh, press enter, and this is going to take a few minutes, and this won't take long actually. So this is adding all the repositories and packages. Alright guys, so as you can see that it automatically applied the wallpaper and also changed the theme of the cursor as well. Now let's go ahead inside the project file, click on this links and credits. So from here, I'm going to download the icon pack. I've provided the link. Just go to the browser and paste it. And then same for the GTK theme. And these are for the Conky themes. Alright, now let's go ahead and download them one by one. So for the icons, I'll download this first one, and for the GTK theme, I'll go with the first one as well. Whites are dark. And I will download this Conky themes. Alright, so click on download. Just download them one by one. Alright guys, so once you've downloaded all of these files, you can close the browser and then go to downloads directory. And from here, I'm going to extract all of these files. So I can select all of these files at once, and then right click on extract here. So this will extract all of the zip files. Alright, so once I've extracted all of the zip files, I can delete the zip files. And now I'll right click on this home directory, click on open in a new window, and then right click on empty space, click on show hidden files. Now from here, go inside .themes, and I am going to simply drag and drop whites are dark. So this is the GTK theme. Now let's go back and then go to .icons, and here I'll do the same. I'll go inside this white star and drop all of this inside the .icons. Alright, now let's go to .config, and here I'm going to right click on an empty space and click on create new folder, and I'm going to name it conf key. So let's go inside the conf key, and here I'll simply drag and drop all of these conf key files over here like that. Now let's go ahead, go inside that project file and go inside. I have a conf key folder as well, so I have modified a few files from these conf key files, conf key packages. So I'm going to just simply replace those files. You don't have to replace all the files. Alright, so from here you can simply replace these files with these files. Okay, let's do the same for the clock. And inside the weather folder, go to scripts, and here, actually I don't need all of this, but anyway, let's just drag and drop all of this and replace it. Okay, so I'm done with the conf key theme. Alright guys, now let's go to blank. So go dot locals, share, and blank themes. Go inside blank themes. Alright, and from here go to home directory, then go to dot themes, and under this whites are dark themes folder, go to blank and then just replace it. You can replace or copy paste. You don't have to necessarily replace, just copy and paste it over here and replace this file, which is inside dot local, share, blank, and then themes. All right, so once you've done all of these, let's go ahead and move this bottom panel to the top. So click on edit panel mode, then click on move, then move it to the top. And while I'm here, I can just make it a little bit smaller like this. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and search for themes. And then from here, go to application, select whites are dark, go to icons and select whites are dark, and go to desktop and select whites are dark as well. Alright, so I have applied all the themes. This is how it's looking right now. So let's go ahead and search for blank. Click on blank. So this is our blank. So right click on the edge of the blank and click on preferences, then select your theme, which is blank theme, and then go to docklets and click on applications, double click, And now I'm going to search for Launchpad. So this is the Launchpad, guys. So I want to add the Launchpad over here. So right click on keep in dock. All right, and I can move it on the left side. So this is our Launchpad. Now let's go ahead and search for U Launcher. So click on the U Launcher, and the hotkey is Ctrl+S. So if I press Ctrl and space, and I have this application, now I can actually change the default theme. So I'm going to change it to dark. All right, so let's go ahead and search for Conky. So go to Conky Manager and click on this application settings button and press this on to make it start at the startup. Then go to locations, click on add, right click on show hidden files, and then go to .config, then select Conky, click on open and select it, click on OK, and now refresh it. And from here I'll just simply add this one. So I'm going to go for calendar 5 and then clock 3 and then connection 1 and then music 1 and then system info 4 and then finally weather 5. So I had to write it down somewhere so that I don't forget. Now as you can see that, guys, this network information is accurate for me, but for you it might not be accurate because you have to put the exact information. So from Conky Manager, what you're going to do is search for connection 1, select it first, and then click on this open theme folder. Not this actually. Now click on this pencil icon. So this will open the settings for this connection. Now from here, what I have to do is, this might not be same for you. So to get this information, let's just go ahead and click on this folder icon and then go to scripts and then go to SSID, right click on text editor. All right, so you can actually use this command. I can copy it, go to terminal, which is Kitty. So Kitty is the name of my terminal, and here I can just paste the command, press enter, and you will see that this is actually showing me my Wi-Fi name. And from here, whatever is written for you, you can just simply copy it, okay, or just type it over here. So not just here, you have to change it from everywhere. So you have to type WL01. So this I'm showing you that this might not be the same for you. So if this doesn't work, the correct information for your internet download and upload speed, so this is how you can fix it. So this is why I'm showing you guys. So just click on this pencil icon and then from here just change the name over here. And how you can find this for your exact network, just type this command in the terminal and then just copy and paste it here and then here and then here and where else, let's see, and here and here. So basically everywhere. So where you find this. So yeah, I think that is it. So this is how you can get the exact information. All right, so I'm done with Conky. And also you can go to the project file and Here I have a readme file for how to change the weather information. Just get the CTID and API key from this website and put this inside the script, the concrete script. I have written all these instructions over here, and that is how you can get the exact location and the exact information, weather information for your location. You have to just, let me show you quickly. So you have to go to .config, then conky, and then go to weather, then go to scripts, and from here right click on this weather settings file, and here click on text editor, and from here just change the city ID for your location and the API key for your location, and you will get the exact information. Alright guys, so while I'm here, let me just quickly show you how you can get a clean terminal. So first of all, let me just change the terminal theme. So I'm going to search for Kitty themes. Alright, now let's go to this first GitHub page, and from here I am going to download the zip file, and I will just check the name, which one I want to apply. Alright, so as you can see that there's a bunch of dark themes, and you can choose any one, whichever you prefer. Let's go with this one, which is called Atom, or maybe this one, AYU. Alright, let's go with this one. So to change the Kitty theme, what you have to do is go to your files, go to downloads, and just extract it, this Kitty theme zip file. Go inside that, go to themes, and look for the name of the theme that I have just, which is this one. Just copy it, go to home directory, then go to .config, go inside the Kitty, and here I'll simply delete this one and paste it over here, and I'm going to rename it to kitty.conf. So now if I open the terminal, and as you can see that it has this new look, which is matching with the color palette that we are following right now. And you will notice that it has this fish intro every time you open the terminal, so I can fix that. So go to the project file again, and here click on this fish intro, and then just copy and paste it. Press enter, type end, and I will not type this one because I haven't installed it yet, so I'll just keep it empty. Now copy this line. So this is a change, so this is to change the settings, I mean this is to save the settings that I've just changed. So once I've done that, now if I open terminal again, and you will see that it has this fresh new look. Alright guys, so I'm almost done, but I'm going to do some changes to the top panel over here. So if you want, you can keep it like this, but if you want, you can do a little bit of customization on the top panel as well. So alright, so right click on the panel, on the top panel, and then click on applets, and from here you can do some changes if you want. I'm going to turn on this one, user applet, and click on edit mode, and I'm going to move it on the left side, and you can go to downloads and download the weather widget, and then click on add. And I'm going to remove this menu, this default menu as well, because I have installed this launchpad over here, which you can use to find any application you want. And you can use this one. Let me just quickly show you, and use this one to log out or power off. Now finally, I'm going to just simply restart the system and check everything is working properly. But before that, one more thing I have to do, and that is search for startup applications. So I forgot to add the Plank dock. So click on choose application, search for Plank. To make it run, add the startup All right, so Nemo is the name of our file manager or file explorer, which kind of looks like this. Oh, one more thing guys that I totally forgot, and that is to change the positions of this button on the left side. So first of all, let's keep this into the dock. Now let's go ahead and search for settings, go to system settings, and then from here search for Windows, and here just make it on the left side, and there you go. So if I open any applications here, so you'll see that the buttons is on the left side. Alright guys, so this is it. You can go ahead and restart and check everything is working properly. So thank you for watching guys. I hope this video is helpful, and if it was, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. I will really appreciate that. And thank you so much for getting the membership and for the donation. I really appreciate that. Really appreciate that guys. I cannot thank you guys enough, as I say this on my every video. So yeah guys, I will see you in the next video.